After 3 long days of confirmation hearings, Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson, President Biden's pick to be the next Supreme Court justice, largely acquitted herself well. She was controlled and calm and mostly needed to reassure Democrats so they stick together in voting for her. If they do, she would be confirmed as the first black woman to serve on the Supreme Court, and there is no reason to think that won't happen at this point. The White House remains hopeful some Republicans might cross over to vote for her, though it's pretty clear by the bitterness displayed among GOP members of the Senate Judiciary Committee toward their Democratic colleagues these last few days that the votes won't likely come from Republicans on the co. There was a lot more from the hearings, so let's begin with these 4 takeaways. Saying something controversial in a nomination hearing before Congress is one of the easiest ways to land yourself in a political cauldron. So the answer for Supreme Court nominees over the better part of the last 20 years has become to say nothing or to say things the other side can't disagree with on the face of the statements. Jackson pulled from that playbook. "I do agree with both Justice Kavanaugh and Justice Barrett on this issue," Jackson said. Roe and Casey are the settled law of the Supreme Court concerning the right to terminate a woman's pregnancy. Conservatives on the Supreme Court have either already upheld or are expected to uphold strict restrictions that states have passed on abortion. It's highly unlikely that a justice appointed by President Biden would hold the same view. That should tell you everything you need to know about how not forthcoming the potential justices, perhaps necessarily because of politics, have become in these confirmation hearings. Republicans homed in on Jackson's time as a judge and the sentences she gave out. They painted her as a judge who was lenient in sentencing, particularly in child pornography cases. Senator Hawley of Missouri, Lindsey of South Carolina and others spent significant amounts of time on why, in some instances, Jackson sent people to jail for shorter lengths of time than federal guidelines or prosecutors recommended, particularly in child pornography cases. "I am questioning